We're going to take a moment here to play a little bit of musical chairs. I want to remind you you're watching MoneyTV, and for more information or watch this program again, go to our website, moneytv.net. And now we're joined in studio by Roger Schlesinger. He is the Mortgage Minute Guy. Roger, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Don.
Now, we were just having a chat just a few moments before we went on the air, and we were talking about how unbelievably low mortgage rates are. I mean, you've been in this business a long time. I was in the real estate business when I was working my way through college, and back then we thought 8–9% was cheap, dirt cheap.
Yep.
And we're looking at what these days?
3.
3?
I just placed 2 loans at 2 7/8 jumbos on 5-year arms.
2 7/8.
2 7, no points.
That's almost free money.
It is free money. In both cases, the payment is the same or lower than their interest-only payment, which were in the 4s, and they're fully amortizing them.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, so it's incredible. It is absolutely incredible.
So when people are calling you and they're hearing 2 7/8 or 3% rates, I mean, you know, obviously because of the real estate meltdown and the economy and the recession and everything that's going on.
And Europe.
And Europe, of course.
Thank you, Europe.
And Mr. Corzine, thank you very much.
Yeah.
But obviously the mortgage grantors are being much more careful.
Oh, no, they're the same miserable self. No, they're not getting worse. They're getting, you know, in a few ways, I think they're getting better. Maybe because we finally understand how to get around them. I pulled something off the other day, which I'm not going to talk about because it would take the rest of the show. But I did something, and everybody in my office, you know, treated me like I just hit the grand slam home run in the World Series. They said, "How did you do that?"
Well, I guess what I meant, like in 2004, 2005, you could be a W-2 wage earner and get a stated income loan. I mean, those days are over. I mean, it's more difficult to qualify today.
It's not only more difficult to qualify, you have to do everything. I mean, there's no step that is skipped. If you have a deposit over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, you have to source the deposit.
I see.
You know, so we know our way around. We've finally navigated. We've been, you know, harassed for so long that we get it done fairly good now.
Well, that's key to what I wanted to talk to you about, because the fact that you do know your way around the course, or around the, you know, around the, what is it, the Cape of Good Hope, so to speak. If people want to know more about that, they want to pick your brain and say, Roger, how can I qualify? How can I get it done? How do they get in touch with you?
Call us at 866-288-0088. Or they can go to mortgageminuteguy.com and just hit the Ask Roger part and send me a little message. Or you can go right to my my email, which I usually don't put out, but what the heck. Roger at mortgageminuteguy.com comes directly to me, and I'll answer every email.
So there you go. Roger at mortgageminuteguy.com. The website is mortgageminuteguy.com. Roger, thanks so much.
My pleasure. Thanks, Don.